What's up, fam? My name is Cameron and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an awesome review for you guys. It's these AirPods that look like real AirPods, but you can get them in different colors. They're cheaper than the real AirPods, but I guess they're fake. So everything you need to know is down in the description below. Make sure to check that out before proceeding with the rest of this video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future videos. All right, to future self. It's the new fucking ZAMZ accessories. Let's go. These are so dope. Honestly got these because they look kind of like AirPods, and so they're like 35 bucks or something. I was like, let me get a pair of that. I got the black edition, that's why there's a little black sticker. Obviously it says made in China back here, you know, it tells you all the specs. Let's open this baby up. All right, so for one, it doesn't come out as easy as the Apple cases do, you know. Apple cases just slide out, but they can do that. It comes in the same wrap. Honestly, it looks so good. I mean, look at this. And I'm pretty sure it uses the same thing as the iPhone, the same cord. It's a lot lighter than the AirPods, you know, and it feels a little bit cheaper, but that's what you get when you pay 35 bucks, to be honest with you. So I'm about to go to the gym with these, actually. I'm gonna double check that these things work. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna do it right now. So yes, let's see. Wow, it fits snug with an iPhone cable. Let's just take them out. I mean, it looks honestly the exact same as the iPhone ones, just like a little bit cheaper. I don't know how this person is selling these, but whatever. Looks like they kind of spray painted it. I don't know what they actually did. I had a pair of AirPods before, but they got stolen from me, so yeah, that's why I'm getting these. But definitely a thing you should check out. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and let me know what you think down below if these are good. If you're gonna get one, use the code down below. If I have a code, I'm not sure yet. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.